Toli tuli takola njaga. Yeah, I guess Paul out jaga. I guess a chinjaga. Kintwana mashona jaga. Yeah, I heal ke plaga.
Ye, ulla device tabanana ka morao ka mo.
Mr. Chris, Rabana Hlako, I blew it. What happened on that one?
Why ha auti if I am a dunsa iba doctor ha khutla sere Dr. Mkwena? A sa re Chavas. I guess sere Dr. Mkwena. So Lynn, I'm billionaire Chris. Take it or love it, hate it, it's up to you. I don't give a damn. Now I'm living my life. But I'm going to make sure this podcast and every single talent in Kwakwa is unearthed with my money. But you know what? This pastor from Zimbabwe, Ofisa Mona, Hana Dieta,
He's making a fortune.
Palama stage, Wakwakwaza, Rumkazaga. God, that's the root.
Batole mala no hukua di classe. Twela bapala tshela motlakase. Shapela fatshe jwalo ka katse. Baka musino ba gangwa ke gase. Team ya magabela ke ne swala rasha. Ha ba sa bona no ba bona le legotho. Ba tlo safara di kwata. Betole mala di kwata. Ba tlo safara di kwata. Betole mala di kwata.
Imabebesa tavalano petit boss. Isn't just over there, but pussy vodka. Why you dancing like you wanna do? Come over. Sasha Sela Marabella Uzokoka. Imabebesa tavalano petit boss. Isn't just over there, but pussy vodka. Why you dancing like you wanna do? Come over. Sasha Sela Marabella Uzokoka.
What's up, Buffett? This is another episode, Buffett. You can see, you can tell. Today we've got the billionaire, Buffett. Not just anyone, but the billionaire. Not a millionaire, but the billionaire. Chris the billionaire. You can tell by the name, Chris the billionaire. Today we are on another level. I'm your host today, Kinna China Fairy Tale, guest as I've said before, Chris the billionaire, not just anyone, Buffett. Utai introduce our way. How are you, my brother?
No, I'm good. Fairy Tale, I'm good.
Yeah. We've been waiting, and like.
Why le batla le nna ke tswa Qwaqwa?
No, like
the billionaire thing, mos mo mdula khoa ha o putha tshaba ka ofela le batla Chris.
We're like you. This podcast, like the biggest ones, like when I'm busy, I'm about like I fit to transfer my like the billionaire wakasi ba fit.
Oh, so lentotse ka obanene I was on a big podcast. Let's make this one bigger here.
Yeah. That's
For bona ba nthole.
Yeah. So that the other ones gonna come.
100%.
So Mr. Chris, what is your real name?
Yeah, Christy Kaiser Msiska ke ntwana Makwani Qwaqwa. Ekelesiten tataiso ska bana ba Qwaqwa kaofela ekene Mafube ya Bikone ya Tejelwa ya Blomo, you know I ke rona batho ba Qwaqwa. Our biggest dream is Bloemfontein la tseba.
Yeah, it is.
I get since banqanda the office tsa rona ba disa Bloemfontein la opola ke re Qwaqwa was had everything, parliament, the department, ha ba disa Bloem ka re batla Bloem le rona marara ya re sa Bloem re choose. So I ended up in Joburg. Drifted. Then I ended up in Joburg, got into the mainstream and so forth. Mara straight Q-Town.
Okay, so I would like us but about it, because everyone is like, how Chris the billionaire, they talk about Chris the billionaire, what no? Yeah. They don't talk about the background or because everyone thinks maybe you are spoon feed, they don't think you are coming from the ground like everyone.
Next. Hane rohola rona roholetse Makwane o ka botsa le bontate ba khotseng le bona ba ga Mokwena ho. La opola la itsa Qwaqwa Stars.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, Makwane. So arahola really spoon fed. Na rena le di long drop toilet Makwane. O tsana re qala bona toilet e dlatleng kana re movela Sedibeng lona le bitsa super.
Super potato.
Super and Sedibeng. Okay. That's why I want a bottle store in a Shell garage in a bit Sedibeng Shell, no Elvin. Yeah, it was called Sedibeng Shell garage. Kana qala bona toilet. So we were not spoon fed. We learned to win trophies in life, just like soccer team ya time le Ntate Mike Mokwena when they made Qwaqwa Stars win cups.
So meaning like you've done a lot before, like being the person you are before. So when growing up, you had siblings. Yes. Unamba man, you are the last born.
Last born.
Oh, the siblings, the guy like Tema.
Re7 exactly.
Okay.
Yeah, then I'm the last born.
Okay, so you went to Tateisong, then after Tateisong you went to Mafube.
Well, from Tateisong I went to Putadichaba. You know, it's funny. It's like Gural Majitan Zarle Blackworth. Like when I get Blackworth 5-star.
Yeah.
I beat Blackworth, no, it's only 5-star. It's only 5-star Kamlungis. So Kwab got long we beat 5-star. It's only Blackworth. If I'm about to write till one I enjoy my beat Blackworth about. Skela says let's one more se beat Mamelo.
Yeah.
I na ke upulele Mamelo. In El Putadichaba. So from Tateisong I went to Putadichaba. Because the officer Kwakwa Stars nedile more co-visional thing. La bona mo ha upa le boya ke rena le SA funeral homes and whatnot, but before that, before sitting sebale the office tsangat, the office nedile mo. So that was the office that Kwakwa Stars. So skela se ne se bitso Putadichaba ke na le snap more appearing uniform black and white. From there obviously Mafube Sentinel Beacon e belwana ke am Bloemfontein. Brebna High School and so forth.
So I heard Buaka Kolo, I think the Beacon Sentinel is one of the biggest schools whereby we thought they are not like government
Yeah,
schools.
in a lady private school.
Yeah, so
how stars since the Swina the cup.
Yeah.
Le rona ntsere. Wa I get a good long drop toilet.
Yeah.
Stars again ebile ne bitwa computer stars. Ya ba Makwani stars, ya ba Fairway stars, ya ba Qwaqwa stars, maybe lona le tseba se le Free State stars.
Okay.
Wa so ha ntse wina the cup, ra tlo wa toilet ntse tsa makaka tse. Seria toilet ntse flusher.
Yeah, ha bone bohlaswa ba hao wa botebela ha o qeta
Re
ho
sebeletsa ntho.
tsamaya o tsebo bya ka o twa mo.
Re sebeletsa ntho. Everybody needs to work to be better. Ha ona motho ba tla mo sebeletsa ba khutsana.
So how was your tertiary level after doing matric? You went to ile pele wa federal studies tsa hao?
Yeah, well, you know, funny thing is that I was expelled from all the high schools that I went to. The first primary school I was expelled from Ineli Sentinel.
What was the issue? Nole
Mamela now tlwagale ke le stout. So never sa tsebe condom. I want to qala ibona in our lives. South Africa was talking about, we didn't know this AIDS condom thing. So one day I found one, no?
Yeah.
So I ke stout. Be ke nka ke tshela lebese ka ga yona ke butswela. Ke lelekisa ngwana mongwe wa lekula. There's this Indian girl that was in my class.
Yeah.
Go beta. Kanti teacher Raybone. So I got expelled. My mom was not happy.
Because actually, by that time, condom was a big thing.
It was a big thing.
Like
It was a
our
big
condom.
thing, yeah.
Unlike no, but never know what khona ga imna uso hudile tshwara you protect. But before way back, you couldn't,
HIV was a big thing. And it was pamkati.
Yeah.
No sa khone lo dula pela motho a nang le yona. Kapa ha utlwa motho a khotlela fela. Kore it was as scary as COVID.
Yeah.
I think bana ba no lona mauti COVID ili shakile the way rona we were shaken by HIV, but now people live with HIV. You know, thank God for Modimo Lebatu for all these sciences that yeah. So that was the first school I was expelled from. Then kaya Beacon obviously Rias Gela kana kyo in SSC private school. Babo?
Yeah.
So jwale batho bana ba kena bo ke kae mo ising tsia makabelane, because rona re hotse ba re bitsa bana ba di model C. Ibile ona le pina bo Oskido e bana ba di model C. Hela ke bana ba di model C. Babo? So not re di pari. Because we were yo my man.
Yeah.
Bona ne ba le 3-star Shaka Koni. Babo?
Libo English thing ya kwa
Mamela na ba sa tsebe sekgowa batho ba rona, at least ne re ya every Friday ne re na ntho ya spelling.
Yeah.
Or every Friday we are spelling. So le gona sekgowa sa rona ke re se so le bona batswadi ba bona ba batle ke ma batlang twana ebe le khuso. Ha so ba batlisa ka Beacon. Ha ba fitla Beacon ba re thola rona sentse re le ka ga model C. Ba batla re gwajisa. Ai khona ka sharper face ntjanyana. Baby God. Thank you for making me who I am. Also, you hate me, but I met you the other time and you said you're making me a stronger man, and you did. So, because
Okay, majita fitla ka kwa abita water wena o setse gore ke
Water.
water that's
Water,
water
water,
ke
water.
data ke date
Yeah, well,
yeah wa di tshwane
potato, potato.
ke
Yeah.
potato wa bo yeah
So I never bar kwajisa because I mean whatever una le mercury cardinals.
and actually you are a guy because all
Ke
you
la
have
out,
to man up
ke
yeah,
la
not the way you have to man up doesn't matter go tswa ko kae everywhere la ba ka nka ba o kenya mo leng teng you have to man up
Bantebela Bikone, then I went to boarding school. Hotu Wanona, Tlamele Abekara boarding school. Wow. Boarding school kana go tsele ne le punishment ya gore ngwana tlamela adula shebuwe. Boarding school was not a luxury. In a lor ngwana tlamela adule a shebuwe. And then from boarding school by Bita Stout school. Wow. So boarding school was more like Stout school. I ki Brebna. I fitla Brebna ke ntwana ntse mbuka diski. I kere go tsa diski. Dlala diski a uthengweng kape. Ke hopole gurasi ya ne ya Bikon. I sebetsana ka yena le yena Mthako. I strike one. Bravo. From there strike one majita ba bona ra ya kura. Bloemfontein re bua bo tla tlhatlhamolla.
Tswana
Yeah, tla tlhatlhamolla wona tshane wa bo bla. Ne re bua bo ntho tse no. Then ka kena ka ra gang ya bitswang ma VIP. Huma VIP ne re spina dikara.
okay
So we started stealing cars, his brak, bonto tse. And then why I got expelled,
ko haya ba tsebe like gore
No,
so sa tshintshile phela
Habate ba already o thola no ho thwe ngwana ona re mo rapelletse re mo tshetse ka moyo halla go re likile.
the anointing
No.
mefuta
Let me tell you can ask anyone go Brebna ka nako ya.
yeah
Every day intercom Christy Masika, please come to the office. Get icon. And we had corporal punishment.
yeah
So never shy. None excited. So I got expelled. I got expelled because Kishaile, we used to call them the matrons.
yeah
Matrone, Nersa Tabor Ute Kara Nkui. So Rinta party ki. You got to go stick at
foot ya di fester yeah
Hey, I want to model see.
Yeah.
I get a party.
ke re ke foot
Him rinse party festere. I'll check a bill stantin back who can but to fellow again. So none can ali patwing baraki Dr. Martin. I don't know if you know.
yeah we know it
Yeah, those were the cool sneakers. Okay,
Yeah.
I was a hip hop boy. Dr. Martin and I can just a skiraya pizza. Tingling, ling, 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 ling. Matron, who's that? Keep out. Has like Ladum. Awela fancy gidi. Ki slice her kids. Khanta kids otla shawan talking alarm.
yeah
Wee. Amona ka tibikisa majitaka kaofela. Hobane tlamele re tswe mo re keneng
clean job yeah
Amona ba re tibela kaofela. Then I got expelled from Beacon. Then I went back to Mafube. I'm in high school now. So nekile finishing school. Wa bona batho ba baholo ba sa qeta matric.
yeah
Ne se geleza. Ba bitsang abet or
yeah
something.
they call it
Ne se geleza hape Mafube le bo Mhlalefana. Ke tseba bitsana mtsa Mhlalefana rata go bloma da mataisi. Ke o thengwe ya ka moloi. Wa bona ke mncane ke mbitsa my partner. Re geleza da. Nna le yena re hlotse ke sekele. Le yona mo ha be strategy in fact it's been a long road man.
so actually like when you were good ka soccer then was started when did you start to itholele go o setse o hokapile bo nthunta gore like you said bo bototu ba
Kavela.
utswa
Ba itsa batho ba re ke Kavela.
yeah
Yeah. So ha re fitla Blom, ntwana tsa teng di slam. Re
but
batla
you are to
Kavela.
stay when you are to stay
Wa bo ke Kavela, ke goni, ke dance. So why tlamele ke tsale diski ke le ke le bolo. When mona ke tshwere goni, ke tshwere Kavela, ke jile di Jonathan D double measurized.
bana ba
Re
shebi
batla di Tatari.
le bana ba le shebi
Mamela, re batla mazoti.
yeah
Wa bo so re etsang ha re fitla kae re etsa dance ba bona bo step bo cadence le re etsa ntho tseno ntho e bo trompisi ba etsa bo ke eng
ke system le na le system ya lona le machine ya le fitla le shapa ntalo
yeah we wanted to do that
so now you how le ko mole like the parents are the tolerate this person now sit at the we expelled you sit at any team but now how did they feel they didn't feel like
my mother was very disappointed time la ka le hloka etse and unsile ntse ke le studio wa My mother was very disappointed. She didn't want anything to do with me. Mara ntse ke le ngwana hae, so abang romella, she sent me to Jozi. I remember ya Gauteng lo dula le your older sister, about Jane. Jane le yena ka mosukudisa. But she got me a scholarship called Johannesburg College of Education. So I was supposed to be metallurgical engineer. Mara le yona mono, I didn't do it. Ka qina ke joina majita mang ka khutlela hip hop. I was so yeah. My mom was very disappointed.
What do you think ntho e ntse hore o qine o ithola ile hore you thought hore o batla tšhelete, you thought hore sekolo sa o tshwarella kapo o nona le lerato for tšhelete?
Not even Zaga mfethu. Lerato la
O feta in.
o feta in out.
Yeah. You wanted to le wena o be mo
Majita
batho ba o tsebe o kene style.
ke kena style.
Yeah.
I want
Because
to-
before I think that's how it worked. Hore batho ba kgone ho hlompha eng, you had to o be le something o e etsang e le hore you be mapi.
batho ba bona re ano ntwana e sleme. But that messed me up, you know. I disappointed my mother. And life went on. But then the great thing that happened, to be honest, like child of but when my father passed away, a lady rema Presbyterian Presbyterian ke church mo Beirut. I wanna Beirut. Bela Kawash.
Okay, yeah. How kena ka tsia ka resifu ya go tsia.
As if we are going to see
Yeah.
paving you.
Yeah.
Also from McDonald's yako.
Yeah, ke
E ka lefting ke Presbyterian ke kereke ya Dladleng, no? So ha time le hlokala ba mo apese seaparo sa mme a lahletsweng ke monna. O bo hlaya pastor o mong so a tswang Zimbabwe a butseng kereke ya Pholoso. Because rona were Presbyterian.
Yeah.
So ha kopa lo lady a kere ba thauta batho ba bona hore ba tle ba tlo joina Deeper Life. Ba bona o lady apere seaparo sena se setso se bontshang hore hlokalletswe. A ba jwetsa o lady re a go tlwele wa apara nthwena e re ko introduce ka hara Pholoso. So that's when my life changed. Banqanda lady ba mhlubudisa ba di chesa kana qala utlwa ntho tse tsa bo hallelujah le qala di bona kereke tse jwalo mara di a chaza ke di bone da ditsena ke re no let me satisfy my mom. Ke attended this thing, so I started there as an usher, and that's when I became born again. So butsotsi
Ba qala wa
ba calm down. No ke matho ke ntwena ya modimo ne se tsama ka bebele ka setsi ba tla o chaela da majaga thata majita ka ke khutsela bona ntse ba re ba ya ke ka kwa hotel nona le ndawo ba re ke motswako na re chaela ka class
next close to back to front.
close to back to front. You know, ke Richard at the time no mkwepa na ne tsama ka bebele. So I think that made my mom proud, and that's when Lynn and I started to say
rebuild
relationship your lady. We rebuilt our relationship until today.
So how did you start up to become like Chris the Billionaire? Wherever you start to making money now, how did it start actually?
Kiboni church.
Go church, how did it go?
Kiboni church. But you know what? This pastor from Zimbabwe, ofisa mona hana dieta
Is making a fortune.
palama stage wakwakwaza rimgazaga. God, hi, that's the root. Fairy tale when I want to go China to the bio. Church fairy tale. Kibona pastor wa tswang Zimbabwe o fihla a sena body part eng hana le but ha palami stage a rera etsang rona re ya da then re mkanyo
O theoa pulpit ya salamna.
Ah,
O
man.
palama le bogoku o theoa sa du.
no gore wa mo bona le wena or you know what the previous Sunday manona re modimo o matla the following Sunday a re qeta mogas no modimo and then the other Sunday hasa modimo hallelujah kiri these are the steps that one must
Balla lolla ba. Ha shaba maoledi.
Bawa, waitia, kiri. Fats. Kiri, huh? Kiri, so the best way to generate income is number one, you need to be socially, what you call it, important. Kiri, you must be recognized social. Kanto yetsanga, there must be one, something good. Number two, you need to have a product that you're selling
Yeah.
that people can buy, which they're attached to emotional.
Ke di-salesperson actually, that's what you are saying.
Look,
They are selling you the name of God.
my man.
Madala side.
Bona, even Jesus came to this world and sold us the concept of loving God, and that was a good concept. So there are some guys who will come. There are pastors who will come and sell you this concept, but use it for the wrong gain.
Yeah.
Babo? So I took the same concept and I used it for the right gain. A better life for my wife and kids, a better life for me, a better life for my friends, a better life for the community.
around
You know what I mean? And that's what I'm doing. So I want to take him new.
Because wabona what you are saying, because I remember they were interviewing Bushir, asking him why he can't do those things. Go Malawi, Adietamo, South Africa. That guy, the answer was simple. This guy said, "Okay, but go South Africa." Actually, started Kabu Malawi. People believe in God. More South Africa, we believe in miracles. If kikana mo kili disabled, ke tswa se ke via street. But diamond kena mdimo ubeile lotso. They come to you, yeah.
Well, I understand. But obviously now I didn't use God in making money. I used the qualities that I saw in different people. Soccer players, oh, he uses this strategy. Politician, oh, this is how he talks. Kora, I'm very attentive to things that attract greatness. So how can the Kenya go fail? Obviously, I'm a billionaire.
You've got everything.
I'm not a cheap pastor or a weak politician. No, I'm everything.
So manje, how did you start? Because manje no Chrissy
The keeper. You won't believe it, but I was one of the first people to promote and sell Ama Keep Keep.
Ama keep.
Yeah. Nkosana, Mrena Moholo, Mrena Mutibang, Mrena.
Because I remember there
was House of Paulos.
Yeah.
There was House of Paulos, HOP.
Yeah.
Wapola again. That's because Ama Keep Keep Inception started with Nkosana, who designed and brought this thing to life. Brought his friend Morena Emoholer Mita Morena Moholo Warona.
Yeah, the one with the
Morena
tattoos.
Mopedi,
Yeah.
yes. His Majesty the King, our King. And then they brought in Mr. Pastor Chris to go and speak about this thing. So we made Ama Keep Keep so cool that we sold him. That's the only brand that had so many fakes all over the world.
Yeah, it was because
All over the world.
it trended. Cash time.
DJ Khaled, no. DJ Khaled used to rock Ama Keep Keep. Nkosana spent most of his time in China with those guys, BAPE, BAPE. So, keep and then keep.
You went abroad, man.
Then I said, no,
Merchandise.
keeper, for what? I'm not going to do the keeper. Because keeper venue. I want a venue. So I started a nightclub. In Jozi.
So now, as a pastor, you had already your ministry.
No. My ministry was business. Remember, I'm not a pastor in the church. No.
Yeah.
I Kingadila concept.
Yeah.
A pastor. If a pastor can come and sell us something that we all love that works for us, that's the concept that I wanted. So Rinkile Ama Keep Keep and everybody wanted it.
Yeah, we used to. Yeah.
Because we made it cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because Khosatsana Mana Pompedi was the one that came in Katsonatsu Samshweshe. So that's what we did. But then we moved from there, then we moved to nightclubs, and from nightclubs, then we moved into more of a professional side now, the business side, which was BEE. Now I was interested in mining. So I want to be like that guy with a cigar, go Sentin, go butcher shop and grill, who can have Patrice Metsepe. At that time, Patrice was not as rich as what he is today. At that time, that's when he was in his inception, and I'm much younger than him. So I would watch these people, busy striking deals and growing. That's when I got acumen professionalism in the business space. So, for example, I'll tell you, Patrice is in the mining, I'm in the mining space. But now I rap, I pray, I dance, so I fused everything. madaese ka nna ga zala le wena nka o nka lenoka second favor.
So actually,
Yeah.
so actually, when what you are saying, like, what you are saying, ke batla o bontsha batho like, if you are a person, you don't have to be ignorant.
You mustn't be limited.
Yeah, o tshwantse like everywhere that you go, you have to be somewhere, learn something new that can work out for you. Because even when I like, you went to church, but wa kgona ho analyze, hi man, this thing can make me big as well. Then you took out the good things from that and all that. So meaning, since you can say, how le motho tshwantse o tswe o bone dipleke, meet up
Exposure.
people who gonna,
Yeah.
hore ba o etse le wena o be le that thing ya hore
It's called exposure. I mean, I'm sure Lona Fela Mauti. You know why I accepted to be on your podcast is because I was once you asking Makhutmana Kwakwa, Robafit, can I idea Kupale Mamela? They never gave me time of day.
yeah.
Even market wa Kwakwa, Kiba China, Bafit, Kupale Mamela, they never gave me time of day. Kavaya I choose. Yes, they treated me like gold. Kichigela Kwakwa, Kichiga ka Ferrari, you know, I don't think there's a guy in Kwakwa that has driven cars like me.
Yeah.
Since Kwakwa was born or created. You understand? And it's a Kwakwa, but all important it's a Kwakwa. Kifita driving ka Ferrari, still, Abampun, you know there's something wrong here.
That's all.
Kirikaren galata pasta ole hape atla to rapella Kwakwa. There is something wrong Kwakwa mfanageti.
And it's big.
It's
big.
massive. It's deep.
Yeah.
We want to look at the politics.
Yeah.
Politicians are fighting for Maltopofung, but they are not fighting to fix the roads. Bona Vulela. Vulela is a big brand now. Wabo? Lamza Vulela.
Yeah, the one with the
the helmet.
Uber
The-
Eats,
yeah.
yeah.
Vulela is a big brand. Higher anywhere in the country, even abroad. Ha hlaya ba mo tseba, ne? Ha ba mo dumella kene, they respect his brand. Ai maobanyana mona ke a utlwa rona ile Joe Lifestyle no na le event mole. Hona le o thengwe da ke a uthiaka le yona. Ke mafifi and I'm gonna call these things out. Babo ke bona ba ranamna ba mo hanela kene ba rapatela ticket. Are you out of your mind?
Such a big influencer then.
Mari if maphorisa na tlile mo la re wa kene ba tlo mmatla ticket.
Nah.
We don't respect each other in Kwakwa. It's a problem. So the reason why I accepted this podcast is because let's make this one big.
Yeah.
Babo, because we don't need you guys to go and make it big. There's an industry everywhere in South Africa now. Where are we shooting this podcast? Here in Maltapofu. So why Gauteng? All we need is ba acknowledge the skill and talent tsa rona. More high. Ising how dlala diskin tswe mo ba high. Oh, mamela ona la thung ya ka ba re ke rakitla. Upaya kara ya 1 million. Entswem. Waza majita ba re, ai ke ona mara ho ja e reka ka blue. Why I rekile ka white? Ke re batho ba ba hlanya.
Why come on? Ke ena batlang blooms.
Aba batli fela ho kore ba mo opela matso mare
Ba criticize
ba
at
mo
the same time.
criticize.
Yeah, that's the
So,
thing. Yeah.
But man, no kupa go tamo like who criticize it. Kucho batho ba jwalo.
It's sad Otiaka.
Ne ke na ke ba.
What like the whaling deep getting o cholo ferry. Hore this thing is deep. Baba ke re ke vaile ka etsa di million ka khutla ka di Ferrari ka khutla ka di McLaren di Aston Martin still abampuni.
And they don't even approach you.
Bona
Ba o bona mara di-
mamela ba ntse ba bona Crisolo wa mafinyela wabo ana tsama mo le putha tshaba junior etabuile. Yes, it's true ke tswa mo la itseba before yaka but now I'm after. So why ha auti if I am a dunsa iba doctor ha khutla sere Dr. Mkwena a sa re Chavas against sere Dr. Mkwena. So Lynn, I'm billionaire Chris. Take it or love it, hate it, it's up to you. I don't give a damn. Now I'm living my life. But I'm going to make sure this podcast and every single talent in Kwakwa is unearthed with my money. Because we've got industries here. Hey, Maspala Rukopa. No, they don't know. They're not interested. Arna arts and culture. Mo. So Vulela, I'm appealing to you when I'm in the relationship with Vodacom. Bring those people here. Tira did it in Durban's finest. Now we've got Kwakwa's finest. Let's make it work.
Yeah, because what you are saying, it's real and it's a sickness this thing but ha ba e bone and it's getting big ba if it settle ko bane ba bone
ba re spinne ntwena ba isa Bloemfontein a re la
cause now if you can check note batho le bana no ha ba se ba thaba hore a acknowledge ngwane mo ha ntse ntwe right wa shwa ka taba and this thing it's a sickness o tshwantse o hole o rutile ngwana ha hore mina motho ha ntse ntwentle mo appreciate mo acknowledge hore mina do more it's unto the sharp because no even if they see you doing good things but what like now we were talking ka municipality wa rona around Qwaqwa is failing us whereby everyone wa bona like municipality is failing us but now rona as a society we can't depend on them o tshwantse re thole batho ba tshwana lona re sebedisana kaofela re khudise because we can't always be pointing them re ba pointa because after all how about the vote we still go and vote re vote the same people one thought
mare wa bona hape you won't blame the municipality per se. Municipality ki mang. Babo, we must talk to individuals by understanding what they want to grow Qwaqwa. And not just municipality, even individuals. Because rekai kala ntwe okay no ba fetu no stress la bona le bakai moli 6 again. Rakopa no harayetsa ntwe. Ona qeta reka teki entsha. A tlatsitse ke o lead lie ona sa ba jealous. O kadila talk. Skarata ntho tsa batho emela tsa hao. So what disturbs us in the whole world, not just Qwaqwa, it's just that re bua ka Qwaqwa deeply because ke dlahle. I can't talk deeply about issues of Soweto. No, I'll talk deeply about issues at home because ke dlahle.
You know the
so maybe ha ke bua I come out very harsh because ke dlahle. Wabo. So everywhere they've got these issues. You go to Soweto, they'll tell you about their Soweto issues. You go to, but why are they not fixing it? It's because Renaluba jealous even to each other. So I like and say piece of unale lamtsa mahuta le Fed Cook.
Yeah.
Those guys have been together for years. Mahuta ona inele part of crew and babies at Trompis.
Yeah.
The Kwaito group. Sikiani ngo. Mahuta then found a guy called Fed Cook, and they started doing events together, and then they decided to call it Fed Cook and Mahuta. Till today, those guys are still together. Why? So I told them, hey, that's why Ikarolona, how do you stay together?
How do you stay together?
Because you do it so well. And a Fed Cook, you know, Chris, the reason why it's really sharp is because I accept Mahuta achiever. He accepts if I achieve. You know, I respect his opinion. He respects my opinion. So, how do I told him? Industry. How do they do it?
So, do you think so is it poverty or kitabaya bona like personality or this person they don't wish to see people? Pela unana batwelo ngutabela ntutse dieta lebo. If motho di metalla o feel like why Chris a rekile kole eo nkabe le nna e rekile it was going to be much better if it was.
No, that's jealousy. That's jealousy. And jealousy comes with poverty. That's why kenale program ya ka bitswang we fighting poverty. Tlala yetsa motho akwate. Tlala yetsa motho alwane. Wabo? Ha o lapile ha ntate.
Ba re ska ma ka tseleng ya monna kgannwang ke lepha.
Me bra, o tlole mas. Mamela ntate be a dijo mo bona ga di fit ko re ra ke footwear. Wa understand? So we have to fight poverty, but not just poverty ampa le material things. Poverty in the mind.
It starts from the top.
Okay, fine. Who was your biggest that you had on this podcast? Larki Executive Mayor
Mr. Mokotso.
Gilbert Mokotso, ne? That's fine. Honorable Executive Mayor. All the mayors, when they become mayors, they were not mayors. I guess. Now they control this big budget. A lot of money. Why can't they share it? But instead, they are busy fighting each other. They forget the money. That's why Qwaqwa is a holy.
Yeah.
Because Balwantana, instead of fighting to share the money, Onanarkalo and Amonfe Tabaka the streetwise two equal. Everyone can have a streetwise two equal. And then there will be harmony in this house. But no, Chris Kimajuru, Obata, Varela Liwa. ebile lona le ske la ja KFC le je malamohodu
Score.
yeah,
Nama
score.
hlooho.
Yeah. Le tsona ke dijo ao ellang bana ba je so but obviously malapa ha lekane, but there must be that level that we must not go under the poverty line, because once we are under the poverty line la qala hele roka bo majoro unnecessarily. Yeah, raise your loan, it's unnecessary. Le roka motho for no reason. This person is there to do his work. You're not giving them ample time. Mooring wa qala wa itshwara ntwe ba mtlose. Gone with Gilbert, gone with Vus Chavala, gone with this one, gone with that one.
And I know le circulate ntwe one, but the problem is just a mover. Re tlosa from Chris e tla konna. Ke thola ntala jwalo mathata te. Ha re solve. Because no haba o tlosa wena no sona le idea go ka tlosa.
You're almost there, almost
there.
to implement na jwale ntho tsa.
Ba o tlosa o kena le nna ka
So rona e bonta derna council la utla rena re masipala. Rona we are civil citizens. Let's push our agenda, because imagine if I was to wait for Masipala to make money.
Ngabele no.
Man, I ke dutse da squaring da.
Le episode down na le rona go phone le.
Let's not
Ke go sheba ke.
check ye goal ingakwenza imali. Scott Maphuma rufunane goal ke rufuna imali. Mina ngazomtshela wena sadu intwana. Let into yabo. So let's bring that economy and bring it this side. So but this is what we need to do. Now all I need is support. Because how to sorry ke tlisa budget hey ha re tseng tjena but still ka mona ntse ke kwa ka side. But if we can get support, re tla etsa ntho. Re tla ba bitsa Fat Cook and Mahuta to come and teach us how to maintain relationships. Number 2, we'll call DJ Tira and ask him how he created this industry in Durban. With no help from any municipality or any businessman, but just from the industry itself. So these are the people that we must call.
Because when you are saying that Durban common churches, and it doesn't matter piano churches, but bona they are still strictly komo ba tiba komo ke a rona re jaka yo. Whereby ba tiba ke artist tsa bona tsa kasi, they don't have to do anything in my piano. So I think we can get back to you had business clubs, you went into minings, then you did your thing. Then Mr. Chris Rabana Shako I blew it. What happened on that one? What happened? I think Kateba guarantee Bupelo Baraboso. I see a clean slate whereby you know the future.
Just to make it clear, let me tell you, Chelsea Aslan, so it's only by second.
It's only
kill by
second.
All of those things. How Kato Tola Nto O Halo Ibat? Why Ron Folk? Why Vurvaya? Yeah, why Vurvaya, me bra? Understand? Glabona, Ibile Luna Latseba, when Matsadi Balona Paela TV game, Nelly Gill. So Nana Nanangaroa, like he's Zile Nyele. But one thing that I've learned in life is if you can do it once, you can do it twice. And if it's nice, do it twice. So I'll never not stop knowing how to make money. What is 1 + 1?
2.
But let's get again. Then I was taught to make millions. So don't question me about millions. I won't question you about your 1 + 1. 1 + 1 equals 2. 1 million + 1 million, 2 million.
2 million. 3 numbers. We're not talking about numbers.
So what you have taught yourself, you must apply everywhere you go. So Batubapaya Balibala, the first Chris. Remember, I am this Chris because of the first Chris. So you can't forget the first Chris. You must still have the same hunger as the first Chris in the second Chris, so that you can build the third Chris. Learning from the mistakes of the first Chris and the second Chris for the third Chris. So we gotta make more.
So Kupaunte like your mentor, like whereby where you are saying, I come to you fairy tale. How do you like do that? Like maybe your strategy that you do with
God.
You pray before everything that
God, everything is God. I told you, the first strategy that I got was in the church.
So now you've got people are going for Mamlambo. Everyone when is rich now, there must be something alluring. You can talent. I know.
ha re mmone ka di 8 to 5 re dula re mmona wimpy a ntse a ja le nthong and all of that. No, that's what I'm saying. God, hey, nothing more powerful than God. I've been betrayed so many times by friends that we've grown up together, or we've hustled together, or we had a plan together, you know, or guys that I got and I said, join me, guys, and then they got better and then they betray me. Every time I'm a giver. No problem. Yeah. So God will answer everything. And not be a handle. How na motaka be a handle scamdi. Because how bua le batho o ba jetsa ditletlebo tsa kapa bohloko bao wa kapa the experience tsa. They don't know those experiences. The best they can do ko mamela and bazame offer advice according to their experience. But the experience kya only God can deal with that.
Yeah, because manje no how jwalo it's like ke tla wena mathata ka batla 10 rand. Kanta ha wa batla tawa wa utlwa no ke a o tetebetsa ebile ke a o tena ke o mametse magaka.
Go for advice na ne ke la.
Ya go go tlose ka pelenyana plaka. Yeah.
You get what I'm saying?
Okay.
O tla mo fa advice o feelang gore ya ke mo feel the best advice gore a tswelle pele ka journey ya bophelo. But hey, they won't do it like God. So some people will tell you, it's ka mo tshwarela motho ibile ka ro ka mo bolaya. That's why batho ba bolaya. O tlwaela masepa motho. Next time I'm on God doesn't do those things. He says, calm down, boy. Calm down. Yesterday is what? It's gone, right?
Yeah.
But today is here, okay? And I'm still here. Are you still okay? Do you still have the ability to make what they've taken from you? Or yes, but my heart is so, how could they do that to me? God says, they've done it to you. Get over it.
And it was your journey.
Hey, how can this girl dump me? Now the way ne ke mo rata ka teng ngwanona go baneng jwale an lahlile jwale now I've invested o lahlile. It's done.
Yeah.
So now when I lost a girlfriend, you know what I got? A wife.
Okay.
Yeah.
Or is the saying
yeah, mona spanning ban treata maadada. You know? And then I lost my job. You know what I got? A business.
Le mametse bana la
mametse chamo 63 yele ngotsing yero.
Yeah.
Ila chamo mfethu batho ba laga ba etsa. Do you know when I lost a car what I've got now? A fleet. Le bone ke re dikoloi di ngata. Yeah, I've got more cars than your teeth.
Ele ba ukwile. If o sa tsebe go menwa makae o tlo tala o le
32. Now my cars are 37. Yeah. More cars than your teeth.
So my chona tse dintso khandileng haiwane ke shole.
No ke khandile kaofela and then it's tshwale di teki.
Yeah.
Pele le vaya mo tlamela ke le bontshe teki tsa ka ke tshwere teki ba fethu.
So manje ke la ka ukwa last o lla ka bo di Jewish hore man tshwantse so lo na le bo Bramsopho mona o tla a kente Louis Vuitton mara e bona
le moya
ora
re di tsa
vi ene tena
ke palo
ya so
Scheme. But guys, big shout out to Scheme GP, you know. Actually, Braskim, you need to come and spend some time with the boys out here. They've got a lot of love for you. Can we clap hands for Scheme GP?
Because that one was dope, actually. That was dope.
No, we got a lot of love. No, but fit moya ki moya.
Yeah.
Moya ki moya me bra. Lauka I mixa. Re tla o jwetsa kondile moya. Baba. Tlamelo be kondile waya kondile. Ene le bone no ho etsalang ka dimpamatse.
So manje kupa o ntwetse ntse le hona ra. Do you think ntwetsa gore batho ba ithole ba apara moya, is it pressure kapo king aba appreciate what they have or
look it's not pressure per se. It's like you're not taking hana ketsa bukintsa lo spina lenza. It's wanting to fit in.
Yeah.
But then you're doing the wrong thing. How do you fit in with fake stuff?
Yeah.
So haring bafetu rlo chaivang Stenville rlo reka majwala ka Chelta Monopoly. So same thing. Ushile moya me bra. Abor quaff, check out. Or senyetsa. Ba tlo tebela wena. Tsamaya o ye setsing lo batla go reka dintho ka Shelter Monopoly. A kere ke a se Shelter Manete. Ba tlo etsang? Ba o tebela ska sport. Futsek. Yeah, so batho ba ba ke ya moya kaofela. My message is futsek.
Yeah.
La disturb mo.
So manje since batho ba ba bua taba ya like no ko ba bua ka bo di China. Phela no se ba itshireletsa ka China no tse ba re China kwa o tla o rwetse eta sa 40k ya re fitla mo ke 153 China kwa 153 yen. Aba di converter ke 200
Exactly. So ha e bohloko ntho. E bohloko mang? Ho batho bana ba ke reng ba tlwelle moya ke. So I'm actually saying guys don't do that. Wa bona maka a tshwana le yona ntho ya ha o buile maka let's say ko botsa re lebitso la o mang ko botsa ka 1994 hore mona lebitso la o mang o re o themba mara o ntse o tseba o tshepa ka 2025 o tla le hopola lebitso le you can't lie about your name
maka ha upgrade ka upgrade man
ke tlo mo
ka upgrade man wa tseba ona lecture ka ine tshojwale ne a probleme ya batho go tshola ka ntshego maka o ka upgrade cause ha o itse he mona ne re tsamile ka kushishi go sano se ka re ne le tsamile ka Dolphin ka Range Rover ka eng ha dula le jwa la selemo se ka tshintsa sa etsa o tsantsa dula ntsa le jwa
I like that maka
cause o ka upgrade
did you hear that South Africa you can't upgrade lies man. You know but we've got beautiful brands in South Africa rena le bo Spelete like tse ba label it's an original South African brand that you can wear that is affordable that is stylish that is quality
I didn't understand
wa understand so ha o hloka ha le hore o lo reka Gucci tlo sotea batho ba o laga so let's support our own wa bo re tlwele o paisetswa dimpama ke batho ba bo China or wherever o le utlwile ke our president
yeah cause no the local brands now they are making cause wa bona ke bone we've got amaxhosa iselting outside
quality
yeah it's
to the same level as LV
yeah
let's support that our president said we will not be bullied so let's not be bullied in doing things we have our own Kwakwa's finest we have our own we don't need another one you know
but you know on a make like why people are now scared of raising their ideas to maybe not to say per se the government because people are now saying an idea without money it's useless because now if kifitla ko le rich I'm planning to do a lodge mo ha kena nix o ntse to ga mona ai mfeto re ka se gone o thusa ka mara 2 weeks e se etsuwa ra re nke bona batho ba busy ka construction ho etsuwa mo ha ke se ke bona o hla the same business ene ke bua ka ona ba ntse to ga e se tse le teng in the market wa bona e hlella jwa
fertile e fete mamela maobane mfeto e ke bone ngwana mo ngwa ntshwembo so mfeto e re go bontsha ene bile re go chaelo bloma guy next week so jola le it's the same thing
what you are saying
ka khwakhwaza pelo gaola go
yeah keep on it ba di ka di tshwara so
mona re khwakhwazi fela re khwakhwazo ba re tseba ro if you challenge me I'll respond wa so na le bathe Chris o maka eng ke khwakhwaza no because ke tseba come test me yeah you want to see I'll show you I've got more cars than your teeth you don't believe let's go ibile don't come with me in my car palama taxi o tlo di bona go ka taxi don't come and undermine us here we are working hard here sure
but a blind outdoor one has nice things.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like no generating like having this conversation with you. And then you're hot man. I'm Chasha.
Thank you. We need this. This is nice recognition.
Like Boba Chibala got someone
how do they reach there? Yeah.
Babua Kambo, now go ahead. Baba didn't talk a California, like Nike saying right party. At least my Baba was someone like you, they know you. Never something like personal look at the valley plus and a man. Jeba, diamond, Greece in favor, like Greece, diamond. At least little way, like confidence, like you speak. Go and claim and
Yo, my man, and there's nothing. The only thing I claim I go remote. Who you are so handsome? Get over some guy. So I've claimed a lot of things, but that's the only one.
So now, how do you deal with that? Because Leona, it's an issue because of like Leona, especially people who've got money who are trying like to be more and more successful. The body target is to like, but you no longer know which one comes with a genuine love. Agenda high.
No, now I'm married, so I don't play that space.
Okay.
Yeah, Mabona, this is a big diamond ring. So even if I'm not a hotel.
Yeah.
You know, I've got a house.
Yeah.
I've got kids. So it's not my space. Maybe I can pose that question to you, my brother. When now it's around.
I'm not selling bro. Kemalambana ba o se ba go tromfa. Yeah, ba ka bona fe.
So ladies, you need to handle this man now because he's going to be rich.
But I believe that because
if Basakoli Babotse Banana Bang Handing, thank you to Misang for saying yes to me when I asked you to marry me. These are my billions with my wife. Thank you.
They can no longer check
that's why next child plus Kimara will yeah, I keep seeing you. It's dark.
Yeah.
You don't move in the dark. Yeah. How really So I splash it, my sister. Because reserve and you. And I just say splash is a little fit, baby girl. So splash her.
Yeah.
Come join him, man. Come join us, splash her. Hey, tell him she's going to join us, splash of him not. That's what you want. Donald Montatsu was saying about Sila. Ocho Ankian, like Mexican chili.
Yeah. Mexican chili. Yeah. So, Mr. Chris, what can you say to the upcoming youth? They look like Baobona, they wanna be like you. Pela wabona what I like a generation I know. Are youth club. Like they wanna explore, man. Why? Chris, how did he do that to Ratole Charity, man? They're gonna be there, get closer to you. And our generation I know about Lemon. I don't think only They wanna know, they come to you straight away. Yeah, they come to you straight away. The more money, Haipota Copana yo. Harry, Copa yo. I'm a total like a Ramtel Ake. Never to suffer from my routine.
So South Africa, they say to me, so when can we see you? But you see me now.
Yeah, even though no shoot the
let's go for it. I'm here. So the message that I'm going to give the youth, you know, and not even the youth, you know, because my thinking is that we are human beings. Obviously, there are younger ones. I don't know if you once saw a video. My daughter, the only way she can fight poverty at her age is to go to school. Well, she's too young to work. But those who are in the mainstream, you know, we are finished with matric and now want to work. I learned in Tatem Siska, I'll be honest with you. You know, I failed mathematics. Today, I don't use mathematics in the money that I make.
Do you know how to?
I don't know. I know. Yeah? What squared? What? I want to get it. Have you transferred my money? Yes, good shot. That's good mathematics for me. So I'm not saying because I wasn't a science kid. Those who need mathematics, go for it. But I'm more an extrovert. I socialize. I'm not that boffin that studies and no, we need those. They give us iPhones, they give us all this equipment because that's science and whatever you might be. All I'm gonna say to everybody is that don't worry about what people say about you. because that thing will disturb you. The Bible says when God made the world, he spoke. Let there be light. So he spoke, and then light became. So words are very powerful. And if you listen to them, they'll disturb you. Understand? For example, now. O ka tloga ke na malome a re ba feto ha di ke bona le busy wa bona re thabile a ba re mona touch wood o le tla hloketse. Are you aware of my whole everything changes just from those words? So we must be very careful how we speak to each other and what we say to each other and what we listen to from other people. So always listen to your own thoughts. That's the best advice I'll ever give you. Your own thoughts. Say we're not saying these are good thoughts and they're good for me. I did disturb more. Obviously, a thought that's a bad thought. That your conscience will never lie. But anything we plan along you now, which is good, listen to that advice. Because now I won't lie. Had I listened to my mother, not that I disrespect my mother said I must be a doctor. For what? Now I want to jump on stage with Rick Ross on the 3rd of May.
Rose.
Yeah. Understand? Yeah. Now when Rose has been saying, Ross will start on the Chris, Like if we can fix a headache. No. That's not me. Understand? My brother, my elder brother, Elvin said, okay, no, as a doctor, high belly ponies, kids are man. So all I'm saying is I thank God that I listened to my own thoughts. That was one, to be cool, to be relevant, to have my own things, and to live a better life. And to affect people in the world. Because if I just wanted money, then I wouldn't be on this podcast. I want money, I want everything. I want to be able to teach, and I think I'd like to teach a lot of people, how to get this thing done.
And you're already doing it.
How to get this thing done, because I wanna to take I've got scars. I've got scars that I can share. Boy, Chris, they went through tough time. So the greatest advice to the youth is listen to your thoughts. We are no longer living in a world, education. We are living in a world, information. People don't necessarily want to be educated. People want to be informed. Now you go, you study geography. All our education was very confusing. You study everything. Medicine, geography, English. You study all these things. And then you end up only using one. Omunki journalist who says English fan. Today at ENCI, you say English fan. Why did they waste this time with all those geographies? So people don't need, they need it, maybe to a certain extent, metric or per se. But the world we're living in, but we have information.
So I think what you are saying is not everyone who's gonna be successful via education.
Via education. But you need there's a base again. There's a base. From metric, depending on le batswadi tlamele ba itse batswadi tlamele ba shebe bana ba bona ba ske ba ba foster or ba itse ntwe e bona ba e batlang. Wa understand? So why yena e sa be ngwana? Ha go ba tlo
problem but people are pursuing like no, that is why we've get young people who are already having businesses at a young age and all that, because but people know what they want, like actually no. That is why even now some of the people are dropping out for various reasons to already that person who set an idea and all that, him staying there I study to him I never focus on that person because they are not already it's outside the box. It's like because later I think we have to, if we committed to it, and like I think it can grow.
That's why I keep saying my advice is listen to your thoughts, chase your thoughts, don't chase money. There you're gonna get it wrong. Chase your thoughts. What are your thoughts saying to you tse o etsang gore o feel gore, but this is going to make me happy. There's no such thing that money makes happiness. There's no such thing. And I can tell you how many people had so much money but went into drugs and depression and died. Do you understand? So I think Likilela Ibona is saying money is not the blessing. Money is a requirement to survive on life.
Yeah, it is.
And a right log. But the blessing is you, your presence on this earth. When you wake up in the morning, every day. That's why the Bible says joy comes in the morning, because if you are awake to see the morning, then you're okay. You can be awake to see the morning poor. Yes, you can still laugh and smile. You can awake to see the morning rich. You still laugh and smile. But you must wake up with that happiness. So don't chase money. Chase your thoughts. And then make money to enjoy your thoughts. Honestly, we're not on this earth for money. We're on this earth to enjoy experiences, but we need money as a requirement to Palama taxi from here to there to be able to go and meet your family member. Well, we're gonna say here, we don't eat money here. Okay, mponze motaja and chelet. Nka iki yezaga ish. Ayoro batloja chelet. Iki gano. Money is a requirement of tax. You need it. What's our limits? Tell me a rich person who doesn't get water to shower. How does that person feel? So money is a requirement. It's not a blessing. The blessing is you. So South Africa, chase your thoughts.
Okay.
Statement whereby praising share with us the story.
Yeah.
If it's true.
No. It is true, because I think we did give a media release. Yeah, that's jealousy, my brother. Be careful of the people you are with, because till today, Elvin, we don't know who did that.
Which is dangerous.
Yeah, but I was in a place where I felt comfortable.
So what you are saying?
So is it the waiter? Is it my friends? Is it my brother? Who is it?
Yeah.
Was it a mistake?
Maybe it was not.
Maybe it wasn't meant for me.
Yeah.
But the fact of the matter remains, these kind of things must not happen. Whether it was for me or I didn't tell me it's Ireland. Ever feel to jealousy is something else.
So, Mr. Chris, like a person of your standard, like how do you protect yourself?
Because you don't have bodyguards.
Like
Well,
anywhere you go, whether in Jozi, anywhere in the country, whether outside the country.
But that doesn't mean hore baba ngabana ngale.
Yeah.
That are motivational and inspirational to some. Kisebi an example that other people use as it's hurting them. And then they decide to make that a fireball and then battle lemats. There is no place called safe, Brayak. The only safety we have is waking up in the morning and asking God to protect you and guide you in everywhere you go, everything you say, what you eat. Muhawa Mudimun that has kept me going. It's better than any bodyguard. Because there's no place called safe. He was at the wrong place at the wrong time. So, protect that. Yeah.
So Mr. Chris, I think the questions in your if you
Yeah.
You'll pass. Yeah.
How
in terms of money, your net worth, Mr. Chris, net worth. Around the last I beat accurate. Yeah. Like when you say, Mr. Chris, this is my net worth. Zara Loren like the assets are and everything. How much can you say you are around?
Yeah, I can take the Arab. I buy. I'll tell you never but don't bother if necessary. Yeah. But it's not more than the world. I'm not
you are still
I'm not
making
King
more.
Charles, I'm not President Ramaphosa, I'm not our premier, I'm not, but I always rate myself to the level of my peers. No. I don't have as much money as Patrice. No, that's my elder, But I've got more money than my friends.
You spoke on the monies. Like, how do you maintain like being on that level or having your money? Let's say someone with Azakanyana. So how do you maintain being on that level of going?
The old Chris, Wapula told you, the old Chris makes the second Chris, and the second Chris has to make the third Chris. So the hunger stays the same. So I never arrive. I told I'll tell you Alkinsa so ya vai shapa di cash in transit tshwara nyongo etsa ke re no out ya go khelezitse wabo fedi a shom Cristiano ka sharp ai yazi in Chris asingene la diamond walk mfana ngidubule lapha ari kene diamond walk are Louis Vuitton aje 1 million adijent arreke diapa wabo arriva rich after 2 weeks kyamlada ngithi mngani wami ubonile ukuthi bane stock esisha lapha wena uphethe imali entsha uthi siyothenga futhi ay Chris nje iphelile imali
one hit wonder
wabo so you never arrive. So there are people who think hubani fella very nice today you arrive here. No problem, you look nice today. What's the date today? Today's the what?
20. Yeah, get it 20 today.
All right, let's see you tomorrow. It's the 21. Things change.
So
How old were you when you made your first million?
I was late, my brother. I had a friend of mine, Lefa Chakela, who made $1 million. I think he made his million at 29. Now I was late. I think I hit it. I must ask my wife because I can't like him. You see, I've got 200,000 now. Hey, you know, to me, son, I think in the next I'm gonna have. So I must ask her. But I think I was around. I've been married to my wife now for 20 years.
yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, learn or fet hook and my root there can't tell learn now. Oh yeah.
20 years.
20
Yeah,
while having money, because Pella, I
20
think
years.
you.
20 years. I think I was around 30, 35. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, I'm 44 now. Yeah.
So Mr. Chris, you get married. How the whole thing changed the way you maneuver through life?
I didn't change anything.
It didn't change anything.
Yeah.
You just remained yourself.
Untotse ke le so ntse ke le so a tlo change ke tla dula ke le so. So bomshishi ba change. Na o tshia o tlo jwetsa re monna e re ke lo bua le fro ya ka pele wa hlanya wena fro bua ngwe. Zulu. Fethe lalele. Mchaka. Fetha sami setebe July. Hayi lalela mfetha uthi ngikhulume no fro. So hlanya.
Holman no mama.
Did we ask her when I made a decision to marry my wife? It was my decision. I didn't ask her, can I please make a decision to please marry you? Yeah, so that's how we've made it. Look, it's been tough. We've got our own issues, but
So how do you manage this thing already?
One day, let me tell you, my wife, my mother is very important to me. Anybody that disrespects my mother, including you, is gone. Because I can never have another mother.
Yeah.
But I can have another wife. First thing, tomorrow morning.
Why is it, my friend? Tell me, I'll bet I was Peter Abasu. You cannot have another mother. You cannot have another mother, but you can have another wife.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, you can never have another mother. You can never have another brother. I can never have another, but I can have another friend. So Chomiyana says that Lendinan or Din Jile.
Steam course.
Lejeleniane man. Le tewile trene eli. Kona riang. Oh, le tewa Castle ria Cape Town. La hlanya man. But my brother Rui Palami or not, Moki Fitla Gito Fon Lama. My family. So family is very important.
So,
So-
all the things that you did for the family.
Yes.
Yes. You did them.
I did everything. I get a family. I got man like no kwate. Yeah, so I chelete le chumita. I get a loan as a man chumita. Not a man chumita. Because the zorki ja chelte le chumita ki chelta.
Yeah.
Tsamo yisa lwena. Wa bona ntho ke etsa lwena tsamo yisa. Wa bona se. Shomi tsaka le tswana di ka mona di ya mfethu wena monna why o sa itsitse family out the way. Ke re tsamo yisa tsang ba lona. Why le ikentse family yaka?
Yeah.
So this thing is confusing. That's why I'm saying always respect your thoughts. And I told you, God is the one ne at offer the best advice. So I've reached a point where but I've reached a point not personal where I want my brother to be my friend. I don't want my friend to be my brother. No. I'm done with that life. I've done it too many times where my friends become my brother. Now I want my brothers to be my friends.
So now, Mr. Chris, since you have been married for 20 years, what is the saying to you? For each and every successful guy, there is a woman behind it. So to you, do you agree to
I
that?
agree.
Or?
I agree in this sense. I was sitting, it's just that I won't be able to mention that family's name because it's a very, very, very powerful family in the world. But I had the pleasure of sitting with his wife, and I was with two of my friends, Nesta, Lizola. I was with them and we were there. They'll remember this if they watch this. Make sure everybody watches this because we learn native. And this woman said, they asked her, how have you been with your husband for so many years and look where he is today? When I met my husband, my family used to ask me, what am I doing with such a broke guy? And from that day, I told them, my husband is rich. Even before, she has always said, my husband is rich. And now he's super wealthy and comfortable in their private space. And she said, there are two types of women. Women who destroy and women who build. Well, I understand. Yeah. So I agree, yes, for every successful man, there's a powerful woman because there's order.
Yeah.
There's order. And I'll tell you what kind of order I'm talking about. I've got any out here, Durban. I lay again, le. Yabona mawuyithinta nje hayi uzobona ukuthi hayi bakususa manje. Yabo? Bakushaya ikhanda manje. But ithi ngikutshela ifro yakhe mayifona, change voice. Hello baby. Ngithawe lokhuzu lebafethu. Sisala kahle.
Hey mama.
Sishawa sisala kahle le ndoda iyashaya la kodwa ifro mayiphela mfethu. Yes love. Okay. Hayi kusasa nabafethu. Hlezi nabafethu sobuyela ku. Hayi drop. Lalelani ke bafethu ki ray marmona ki scam. So assist scam ki control, ki order. A woman will bring order. She'll make sure you come home to have a meal. She'll make sure you are a father. Yes, marriages, but what covered? Because some women expect too much from the husband, and some men expect too much from the wives. There's no such. Hence, I said, my wife knows. But as life grows, there's that thing, compromise. Okay? Yeah. So that's the marriage part.
Okay.
No.
Kisalo, just that what you are giving us into like 20 years, like we understand. From the media and all that. But today we've got a chance and it's close to us.
Straight. Yeah.
So the last question that I have, would you say in order for you, like I think party we take it away, there's a woman to build and there's other ones who are not there to build.
Who destroy.
So would you say like life, you see how it is? It's how tough, no? Like, how tough, like, cost of living, like, it's very expensive. So, would you say no, hore, push or no return to the richang? The housewives, it's pela on alabat pelo, ba matisite bote than building the future. So, whereby somewhere, somehow, the delay, bobro barona, because they want to satisfy, but balo and they not bringing anything on the table. So, would you say, how lim chita? Get someone who's also a hustler, a pusher, ibe le halfway, so that will want life or
you know what I'd say to you guys, is what my mother said to me, Arish, my son, you would have had a better life with your wife had you not married too early before your achievements. And maybe where you are, you believe or you've done very well. I believe you could have done more, but onyetso le mnyane. Jalo deala ka di issues tsa manyalo when you should be dealing ka di issues tsa ho aha ntlo. O kgone ho amohela mosadi le kgone ho qala lelapa. Did you get that? A man must work, build a house, put the cars there. I understand. And then go and get a wife to say, come, my wife, and let us build a home. A home, first it's a house. When the wife is there and the kids are there, it's now a home. Wow, when now you want to start a home in a flat, you rent down.
Because now if you check, because you know the reason why I'm asking you these questions, you find out whether people but one and chalete mostly. Others like they are no longer in love. Le motelo wa marata. Sebana in love via the material things, right? Oh, I can phone like Kirish, Kebatlam Febka, why sender? But that is all Solabo Joseph Diary, but Tamaka phone. Utolara, oh, Facheleto, and I can only one provide.
Exactly.
So,
Arskera blame Albaniana fair. Le magita joa. Onana magita schema on first time.
it's already, yeah.
So we can't always just blame women for that. Onana le magita ba van learner because it's very style. It's survival. Abo maro hoto akore approach thing is wrong. Abo. So it's sad both sister they now succumb to that kind of survival. Hence kilega ibua na kinale scheme. Kirikwede Mantashe must regulate this thing because it's making a lot of money.
Yeah,
it's traffic cop.
Yeah,
It's a lot of money. It's an industry.
and it's happening. We know it's happening. Yeah,
I feel sorry. Nakimjeta scheme away from the camera at that time. I'm worried about our guys who are younger than us. They're not gonna find wives because it's gonna be difficult for them. But you know, they'll never find that person because the morals have changed. The approach to life has changed.
it's the survival of the fittest. Everyone can do anything for man. Right?
I'm saying to out looking go to the slay king. Le out table now or high gay. Mar because about to survive. If I can do. Because it's survival. It is. You are famous. Look, there's nothing wrong. There's nothing wrong in being gay naturally. There's nothing wrong in being disabled naturally. It was a natural thing. It happened through nature. But now you are acting gay forcefully because you want to eat. It means we must also promote. It's natural. But because we want money, we've seen they're also doing that Modi Roboto. That's not right.
Yeah, because Bajo Baba Chinchakana, Camera 9. Watch it.
So the principles, so let's maintain Otaka or Ronava to Bahai Mokwako. Our principles must be rebuile ka jealousy adladle mafetasyon. Hey, mona wa adladle ngaso. So we must do something about it, and I hope and pray, or you guys will challenge me, or learn drive, or uskatlo bua fela, or bosa bonse any action. And the witness to what I'm saying is this podcast. You must come and play it back to me and say, Maru, you said this, and if I change, then Linda Sigil after 9.
Yeah.
Then second after that. So help me to be on the right path.
So So Mr. Chris, amount like I spend like buying clothes like in a day. Yeah. Anything like amount.
I've spent more than 500,000 in one day on clothes.
On clothes.
But I want to tell you this specific one. There's an outfit Versace. That's why I don't know if you've noticed, I'm sharing with people, alcohol is a deterrent. Drink it in moderation. Because how we inca like that, it's something else. But one more time, Chris the billionaire, sure. You know me, I'm rich, brother.
Always talking. Yeah, that's you.
Yeah, keep on out with Nigeria, Kenya, busy to share the Versace. No, I want this outfit. Get me my size. Crowdy guy, key. Yeah, bring it. Let me put it on. Bring the shorts. Kenya. I'll fit that tilling at 97,000. What are you clip on?
I get clip. That's the way. That's the
How jumpy so nale tapulenya. Wenga pita fela. It's a man. Yeah, you saw. Hey, Papa, so so the most I've spent in 5 minutes or 10 minutes was 100,000 rands on a Versace shirt and shorts. So when I got this shirt and shorts, 97,000. My man, I didn't know I got the jiggies. Che polo ntena man.
Che polo ya moto.
Che mavili. Che bleri mpsi. Era le moya. Mashimi mfana yithi.
It's okay there. Yeah,
ngena ngibona kara yo. Yar bafethu. La bona ke ra bona ntwe smart. Yar. Kapor yes, so ibile yo we need to get yes. Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, even next year.
Yeah. Skanganda mine wona sane tlo beza unyalo. Ubonitse ngata ka nesing yofu. Back there.
Not no.
Don't tell her. I won't stop.
But man ka Satan la ba understand ya go bana.
So it's nice. It's nice because Rona Haria chose. Even now, when you go to Bofaro where I buy my cars. You can feel want to So for me it was like I couldn't do this. Everything that I couldn't do, I want to do. So get the buyer, get it square. And everyone's allowed to jump in it, touch it. What? How much more inspiration can you give people? Ronane barahanela. Honto na le majita tlang ka dikolo tse cheap. Ho feta tse ke di rekileng ba iketsa beteri da 5 star mona. Ke bona stotho se. Oh, ke outfit. I it was it.
Yo.
Yeah, outfit in am fit. Outfit in shile. I want to take your thing.
All in all, it's how much? O tswa ka tsama ka e re tswile bana.
My man, equipment Yeah, so this is what I was talking about.
So surely body apara tsa ona le
me asebetsa mo dlaleng me ma ke ang ho distinction. She's been with me for so many years, you know. Ke na lo msheba neng ha ke re ho yana ko pa hlatswe ka matso eo. Ke ha o ka tseba ho hlatswa 100,000. Hola.
You kept the man that grew you up.
Yeah. No. In fact, she's been with me for many years. Yeah, so you stick to, it's called consistency. Yeah, ibile ore no o tlula ke Elvin Witze no yana o batla pensioning. Ke ga o ka nna o nke pension yo marmona, you're always welcome. Tlana ro fe salary ya.
Yeah. It means sharp. But when I feel like how from a distance, there's a lot to say. Tell you how did it Kemaka, because you don't know the person like so. Also, because you get stories. It's much better if no ukona ubu but shebella ba emenya na kama ka ile emenya na kamoya le kamoya le meti ka ba meti yeah bue nnete. Yeah, aye, ba bue nnete. Mr. Chris, we are happy to have an episode with you. Yeah, re thabile. Like, arate be like, yo, to be honest, ne re sa nahana. Because you know how it started, Majitara Mfethu. Arabona that episode ya scheme. Ba nsene ba re Mfethu. I was a bua le Chris the Billionaire. I'm like, yeah. It took me 2 days before ke re ko tsala ka hore move ana. Motho wa ke phone kapo ke sende ke
And it took me a second to say yes, so
Yeah,
it didn't take too long.
even now respond nane. First thing I get screenshot.
Yeah.
Bona se ba thabile hore you are coming already.
I'll say that
Ha
it
so
didn't take too long.
we are ready. This is
Kono
the learning
kopa.
episode. This is the learning episode. Yeah.
Yeah.
But I never said believe.
So I've got a request. I don't know. Maybe you wanted to say something. The last thing I want to say.
Yeah, cause we are happy to have you. Cause to be honest, Ralwa now we try to define it. Cause Rona it hurts. Rona like even though we look scheme GP, but to us it came as something urban. Rona we feel this person was all over on the other
300
podcast.
kilometers away.
Rona, we are here. This person go. It means Corona, but we are not doing our job right. But now we are glad that you managed to learn our refer that thing that.
So Alanjal Lamona,
we are here.
Alanjal Lamona, Lexile, Humnati, Ramajita Kasi, everything is on point. Yeah, no, fair. Kabeka kupalo krotman la kagar no, pick them up.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know.
Le no go shutela ko wena no. Go ntuna baskana na go tlile o tshwere di at PC te. Ko wena.
We are at Rick Ross's house.
Rose. Yeah. Chickens going like quack. Thousands and thousands.
So I wanted to say in closing, I've picked up that we don't have enough time. You know, and there's so many. He says to me, "Oh, Chris, you don't realize the impact you have in South Africa and society in the world in general. You know, you might just be looking at one camera, but behind that, there's millions of people, you know, who are listening to what you're saying. So I want to finance something. I want us to have a live podcast with a crowd that will pose the questions. That will be dope.
Yeah.
I think it will be the first of its kind.
Yeah.
Nana Reada multi-purpose. And then it's about 1,000 people there.
Yeah, they have a chance to ask you
questions so you can have a panel of Kwakwa's finest that you feel are worth it. I hope I'll be one of them.
You are in the books.
Yeah, I think that would be dope, and I'll finance it.
Yes.
I think that would be nice, and then re-identify maybe, you know, like we've got a great man, Ntate Fanititi. He's the chairman. He's the chairman of Investec. You know, he makes more than $500,000 a day because he believed in his thoughts. And in his skill, he's a mathematician he's an expert on that line.
He knows how to deal with the numbers.
Expert rasa. Rasa. There, I wish there was a subject called Rasa. You know, I'd be making distinction. You know?
Yeah.
So if we get someone like Ntate Fanititi, you know, just to talk about business for business people, you know, and then we can talk about me in terms of social cohesion and influence. And we can even speak to His Majesty the King, Morena Moholo, to come and speak to us about Setso Sarona. You know, so that there is that cultural behavior or Yabasotu. You understand? I think that would be a very nice...
Now I'm here because of you know, people are like, they compare it to Lesotho. So now when they see this episode, they're gonna be like, when I'm now how do you get these people? They're gonna be asking like.
And I'm going to force TFS wholesalers, you know, because they're very close to my heart, to also put some finance into this podcast, especially for that specific show. I'll ask them to make, nice one. That's TFS. So we'll speak to TFS to do that. Make sure that we've got biscuits, we've got coffee, all those things. I know. My father, Tate Farouk, and my brother Ilyas won't have a problem with that. They've got giving hearts. And then we'll also speak to Amadeus. I want Amadeus meets. We've got one in Bethlehem. There's actually 4 in Bethlehem. There's 1 in Kwakwa. It's Kibona Badi Butcher. So we'll make sure that if there are any youth there, Rabafedi hot dog. So there will be eats and drinks. Stick around with me, and you will never go hungry again. Tango!
Yeah, Bafetu. This is our episode with the Chris Billionaire. Not just Chris Bafetu, the Billionaire Bafetu. Please subscribe, like, share Bafetu. If you have to, tell your friends will tell their friends. Wabona Bafetu. You've got the finest. Thank you very much, Mr. Chris. Much appreciated.
Tango.
Yeah. Actually, one did too. I'm carrying my friend to success. Yeah, that's it, Baba. He's carrying us today.
Yeah, Kwakwa's finest, Bafetu. Keep going.
Ke mantsa ka stabola o bua mafosi ha ke le teng na o duma koti tshwara mosadi a tlwele mogosi re tla di bona o sanetse tsa bagotsi basadi ba tletse ba tswa josi ska ba tshwana na tshwere dikgosi le mino bo etsa ngo kwa ditsotsi ba meno ka ya tlisetse tosi ke chese sigara ngotseng khotli. Nowadays I'm kind of feeling godly ke tabula seka ke chese soli ngithanda imali phela ngintete cost
Mtwere mtwana I'm feeling godly Utwere boza mabebeza come duze Le pantula lam rapper don't lose it Take all over take two the I choose it No rush when I sweetie hata booty Fully vodka ntwana gasi vele sip shy Uzo koka if you acting kinda good guy Side water we just wanna have some good times Hari robale na magang ntwana all night I'm everywhere you go yellow bone MTN I know they feeling cold but to heal it battle head I'm not short when I sweetie music is dance If you wanna party with me gotta understand
I chop money with a blender like a shredder Eat you like a cheddar This is so creamy I take you on the repertoire I'm taller than the Eiffel Towers Running faster than Keston Jenge Koli Zobuminya Katalete Karusinya
Besa tabalano petit boss Isn't just me over there but pussy vodka Why you dancing like you wanna do come over Sahla sala marabela uzokoka Ema bebesa tabalano petit boss Isn't just me over there but pussy vodka Why you dancing like you wanna do come over Sahla sala marabela uzokoka U petit boss, sous le petit boss U petit boss, sous le petit boss U petit boss, sous le petit boss Sahla sala marabela uzokoka Au petit boss, sous le petit boss Au petit boss, sous le petit boss Au petit boss, sous le petit boss Ça fait la marabelle aux écoles
Miss we didn't know how did you find